Hi, I'm Lance Marks. I'm the General Manager of Kleinn Air Horns. Welcome to Kleinn Air Horns Basics.
National pipe thread fittings, also known as NPT fittings, offer the best sealing properties for air systems because they are tapered. That's why you'll find only high-quality NPT fittings used in Kleinn Pro Blaster kits and air systems. Attaching airline to NPT fittings is sometimes challenging because high-pressure airline is stiff. First, make sure that the airline is cut squarely so it can get as much grip on the compression nipple as possible. If you are having difficulty getting the airline onto the fitting, use heat to warm up the tip of the airline before attempting to seat it. Use a blow dryer, a heat gun, or even a lighter, but be careful to warm the airline. Don't melt it. If you do melt the airline, cut the end off and start over. With the airline warmed up, push the airline over the compression nipple until it is flush and slide the compression nut over the airline towards the compression nipple. Once the airline is seated squarely on the fitting, tighten the compression nut onto the fitting with a wrench until snug.